The world of technology is ever evolving, and the demand for full-stack developers has never been higher. These skilled individuals have the ability to navigate both the front end and back end of applications, effectively serving as architects of the digital landscape we interact with daily. Beginning the journey to becoming a full-stack developer starts with the core elements of web development: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These languages form the bedrock of website creation, allowing you to structure, style, and add interactivity to your web pages. By mastering these technologies, you empower yourself to build visually appealing and user-friendly interfaces. As you gain confidence with the basics, the next step is to delve into front-end frameworks like React. This is where your designs morph into interactive experiences. Understanding how to create responsive user interfaces and seamless navigation will not only enhance your skills, but also elevate the user's journey as they explore your applications. Transitioning into back-end development marks a significant shift in your learning curve. Familiarize yourself with server functionalities and programming languages such as Node.js, Python, or PHP. These technologies are pivotal as they dictate how your applications respond to user requests and communicate with databases, ensuring data integrity and security. Equally important is a solid grasp of databases, where all essential information is stored. Working with systems like MySQL or MongoDB equips you with the capability to manage data efficiently, a crucial aspect of full-stack development that cannot be overlooked. Version control is the next frontier with Git and GitHub. Learning to use these tools effectively allows for seamless collaboration on development projects, making it easier to track progress and revert changes if necessary. You'll find that these practices are standard in professional environments, making you a more desirable candidate. Putting your theoretical knowledge into practice comes next. By building real projects, you can showcase your skills. Whether it's a personal blog or a sophisticated e-commerce platform, practical experience is invaluable in preparing you for the workplace. As you become adept in various aspects of development, curate a portfolio that highlights your best work. Present your projects along with descriptions and technologies used, demonstrating both your breadth of knowledge and practical application. This portfolio will be your passport into the job market, leading to opportunities to work as a junior developer or freelancer.